Hello guys and welcome back to my channel. So in this video I will tell you how to add transitions between clips in Premiere Pro. So first of all, you will actually drag your clip onto your timeline here, and here you can see that I have these two clips here. Okay, so I will add the transition between these two clips. Okay, so in the effects tab here you will find this, which is video transitions. So you will actually expand it. Now here you can see multiple types of transitions here. So if we go into this wipe transition here, and let's add this wipe transition. So how you can actually do this, you will actually drag this wipe transition and drop it here. And now if we can play it, you see we have a transition here, but it like we can't actually check it. So you can actually add more to this transition here. You can actually click on the transition here, and it will open the settings for this transition here. Okay, so like the first one is duration. So if you want to speed up, you can actually lower the number here. So let's suppose 10 maybe, and now you will see a quick transition here, you see. Okay, and now again if you click on the transition here, you can actually change the border width. So let's suppose we change it to like this one here, and now if we just play here, you can see. Okay, and you can actually change the direction of this transition here. Okay, so if we like southwest to the northwest, if we click on this one, our transition will go from like this or this to this. Okay, so if we just and also if we just like increase the speed a little bit, maybe like this one, and now if we can just play. Okay, so and if you want your transition alignment, you can also change it. Right now it's at center at the cut, like center of the cut. So if you want to at the start of the cut, you can do this, or end of the cut, you can do this here. So that's how to actually add transitions between clips in Adobe Premiere Pro. So guys, if you find this video useful, kindly like this video and subscribe to my channel, and I will see you in the next video.